In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade during extended hours on Robinhood. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable the right setting, find eligible stocks, and place an order outside the regular market day with confidence. Start by opening the Robinhood app and logging into your account. A quick tip before you begin: make sure your app is updated to the latest version and that you have a reliable internet connection. That will help prevent hiccups while changing settings or submitting orders. Next, tap the account icon, which you'll find on the main screen of the app. From there, go into Settings. This is where you control your preferences and trading options. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scroll. Robinhood occasionally reorganizes menu items with app updates. Inside Settings, choose Trading Settings. This is the section that manages order behavior, market sessions, and related choices. You'll see an option labeled Extended Hours Trading. Turn this on. Enabling this allows your eligible orders to be placed and potentially filled outside the standard market session. For context, regular market hours in the US are typically 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Extended hours generally include pre-market and after hours, and Robinhood also offers 24-hour trading on select stocks and ETFs. Keep in mind that not every security participates. Now search for a stock that supports extended or 24-hour trading. Use the search bar at the top of the app to look up a ticker. On the stocks page, you may see indicators or notes that it's eligible for extended sessions or the 24-hour market. If you don't see those cues, it may only trade during regular hours. When you're ready, place a buy or sell order outside normal market hours. This could be early morning, evening, or overnight, depending on the stock's availability. Liquidity can be lower and price spreads wider during these times, so consider using a limit order to control the price you're willing to accept. Before you submit, review the order details carefully and make sure it's set to execute during the appropriate session. Once you confirm, keep an eye on your order status. Execution isn't guaranteed in extended hours, but you'll receive a notification if and when it fills. That's it. You enabled extended hours, checked for eligible stocks, and placed an order outside the regular session. Trade carefully during these periods and use limit prices to manage risk. Thanks for watching and happy trading.